For his thing at Central.
In memory of Kelly. He's still alive. He's
Not
just
here.
dead to us.
But he didn't donate $5,000.
Well, he might come back in like junior
Well, his
year.
body counts
You'll be
$5,000.
gone, so
I'll be gone. That
You'll
doesn't
both-
matter.
all
So
of
he
you
doesn't
will
have
be
to.
gone.
It's a little bit of Ben too.
Literally. What? Don't make me give you the boot. I have the boot.
God. Wait, what's that for?
That's for my foot.
Why?
Because I didn't break it. It's just hurts. That's it. No, that's really it. And so the doctors are having me wear it.
Oh, really?
Because they think it's stress on my foot or something.
Oh, okay. I just thought you bought it because.
No, yeah, I just bought it to beat people up with the boot.
Not my fault. I think I'm more.
All right. Last time I see him. Hopefully not the last time I see him ever.
See, I still don't have a belt, by the way.
All right. See ya. Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh my god.